So watch the first part of the video and realize my face dry, but as I got, I need to open the video before I come in the house. So yeah, remember to tell you. Oh wait. No me that video yeah. But you didn't know that I'm getting mayonnaise a Burger King? I never know. I'm pregnant with my mom now. Sorry, these anyways, so I'm gonna tell you. So I can't say go come and I go to people in school again. I went to a school in Heyyyyy. So, anyways, I have this friend, right? And him can't tell the people in business. Him go do a surgery. You know I'm major I know. Nothing big, but him go do a surgery. So me got to go man yourself. It's bad. It's bad. Anyways, hold on, give me a minute. Bulky shot. And first I run over there. So I'll just move to the fries. So alright. So you have this plaza, right? And I say because him did come full side, I was say I gotta look for him. I'll wait for him. But I'm a good friend. I'm pretty close. Anyways, kids, just before we go in any further, don't act. Can't even act me like something to me. Anyways, so well, I end up left him because in the artist too long. I'm very miserable. I don't like it. So I said, alright, I come out for the mark. I need to deal with something. Anyways, I come out for the bus. No, Juta, JUTC, bunky shots. That man is a big. I come out for the bus. Another one. Yeah, I guess it. Anyways, I come out for the bus. Right? I wait. I call me. And him say, him get a bus if I wait for him. Hey, me I wait. And we are going now. Wait, me I go too fast. So it's going in happen fast. Anyways. Wow. So where I live, we don't have a lot of red plate taxi drivers. Yeah, the white platers. Or for bump on them there, but you know. So police have to do them work because they want them pay. Anyways, no, but me and my two friends, but what I could do in the car, and she didn't go to something, but me the real time, me want just want cup, but want go home. And she gonna do that things with her next friend. So me I go home now. We see this taxi. Bear in mind, more than one taxi they do. They're going to our next one. What I say? Them probably not ready. Alright, anyways. We're going to a taxi now. This car is licensed to carry 5 passengers. 5. 4 with them on the back seat. And bear in mind, I am very thick. With a capital K. And put me on the back. Anyways, we are drive out now. We are come out of the mall. We are drive out. You ever see black? We talk about me. Don't get respected. I like black people. I love some chocolate. I don't want to eat chocolate. Anyways, so now, bear in mind, you know, man. I'll just continue the story. So now we are drive out. Guess what happened? Police come. Alright, so I said, alright. But now I reach my yard now. So I say, alright. Now come on, truck car, you know? Just check yourself and come out. Come on, car. Ready for that. So, I'm bearing in mind. The parking lot over there, cork. Put my man parking lot always cork. So everyone has to food in the mouth. It always cork. And like even part, late evening part. I forgot to brush my teeth. Anyways. Hey, come on, eat your bacon. So, me ready for step out. Like a good citizen. Step out of the taxi. First time my friend say, oh God, come on, I'm a parcel. Oh God. Cut where? Cut where? I don't know cartel song them. But you know the one was a Mama boy dog. Something. Listen to me. The man, the police come on in front of the man now. Tell me why. This man start have like him have asthma attack. So him, I'll show you the man there. Police driver. Man drive around the police. So we are driving around the police now. Anyways, I'm sorry about that. So I'm driving around the police now. And but I don't know if I can get a picture to insert it. But you have this little pole where you push up. We go through. So the policeman start right down behind the car. And it's a fat policeman, you know. So now but then I like me I rethink my life choices. Come here and say this man now go kill me, you know. So we reach a little post now where you push up. You know? And like him I tell him, the man let him out and the man let him out. Hold on. What the fuck? The policeman come behind him, you know. I'm say, yeah, I get ticket. What's wrong with me? I get ticket. The man, the taxi driver, drive up in car. You get me? Drive up in car. Up to the pole. Fling up the pole. And drive up and the pole lit back right in at the top of the car. No! Outside of the mall parking lot full. So I say, where you go? The woman next to me say, driver, there's nowhere to go. Yeah, I have 2 car park up right there, so. Even though I talk about this picture, two little car park up, so. And I don't know. From my point of view, the car just could have fit. No way it could have fit. And my reverse. And drive. Go like in go round. I mean I say, am I not serious? All back one night, am I not serious? Just wait, I'm gonna take a break. Commercial break. I'm tell you what happened. The man drive go round. Remember out there? But now talk about now. When the stick reach 100 now, the stick supposed to buck at this point to the speed where I'm going on. Me not even I exaggerate. The man I drive, I'm son, I come have a asthma attack. You get what I'm saying? The man has, my life is in the hands of somebody. We know what life in the Almighty God, but what life in my life is in this hand, in the hand, in the hand as somebody would either have asthma around the wheel. The man I drive and this was the man.
Really, nigga?
Anyways, so we reach one. Just believe me when I'm not exaggerate. We reach one mega match right now, right? And the policeman still behind him. No, we're driving. I wait. You know, you have the little two-way. And one way we're finding the longer for. You know? I'm saying my first time show you. One way go so. I joke ya, man. I joke ya. Like anyway, but I've got two look crap with him. He's supposed to go so. This man gone so. At that moment. Was I a Christian? I never baptized it. I not even remember. I not think baptized it. But at that moment, I swear to God, did I repent of every sin, every lie, what me tell, every bad thing what me do, everybody what me hurt, every uncle what me cuss, every auntie what me cuss out. I just did I repent because the man turn. I'm tell you, turn. I drive. In Jamaica, what is? We drive on the left? Yeah, we drive on the left. We're supposed to dip on this side. The man over here, so. And traffic will come that way here. Traffic will come that way. Traffic will come that way here. No. We just part. I'm going to tell you about the man fat and him can fit in a small space. Man not eat no joke. We just part what like two car there, so. Can you believe that this man fit through the car? Now all we are going, you know, high speed and everything, you know. My friend there, so. Somebody else, someone know there, so. Me, I look on the two of them all calm, sit down, so. This was me.
Help me! Help me!
I understand the fear. Even though you're supposed to know that I don't like fast driving. Me not play when a man a drive too fast with me in the car. I was on a red plate. You're crazy? You're sick? You're sick? You're sick? Yeah, where the story get interesting. This man carry me go around. Let's now talk on it. I can't bear with this. This man carry me around. I want part. But I don't know around this song. And then there man, the police, I think the police stopped chasing him from him going in the wrong lane. The policeman stopped chasing him from within the wrong lane. Him just stopped. It never made no sense. And then after him came around the part, run one part. And because somebody and said police are running down, pull the gate, fly the gate. That's what this man talk about. After me things I run, the man I run, go and carry me back on my road. This man I tell man for open gate. Open gate, what? Oh, listen to me now, man. This man, we in the car. This man. This man pull up. Not even pull up. Swing. turn on to me, put the whole away. In the car, I said, go in the house, go in the house. So, like when him decide first to it, I never did I register. This man carry somewhere at about going at the house, I'm sick. Oh, must be crazy. The man said going at the house, You have to take him in. I really have to take him in. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna write it. The police would have locked me up today. But I'm gonna tell you. Sorry. I'm gonna tell you when me catch code. It's because we didn't register it. The man said going at the house, Man, thank God the man have to say that you must. But just come out. Just come out, and then the way this man drop park bad for show you how bad it be. The fender in the doorway. We have to jump over the fender for coming at the house. Me coming at the house now. I stand up, got me confused, I'm puzzled. So we had part bad of coming at the house. So when me coming at the house, I'm me puzzled. I'm traumatized. I don't understand. But I confused. Listen to me now. Where's this stand up there? I said this can't read. None at all. I'm too good. I'm behave myself too much. Too much. End up in this? You're crazy, man. My friend! You know when they have a chair, you look a settee, and you. My friend coming at the man's house. Sit down, foot cock up. Sit down, you know. Foot cock up and chair angle. I say, yeah, for sure you owe me one good girl. I'm never in a them situation yet. Everybody else calm, sitting in the chair. What's the name?
Help me! Help me!
My friend cock up. But the people like, you know this man from nowhere, you know. Cock up and angle with him foot up. Then, a few minutes later, he might say he might go carry you back home. After I'm having a house now, I'm gonna carry back home. Explain that to me. Just take a minute. After all of that, explain that to me. Girl. This doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. This you have to be a friend. No, what happened? It make no sense to me. They almost killed my father first picnic. They come to me say I came back home. He hilarious. I'm funny bad. Bad. I don't understand. What am I do? I don't do nothing now. I don't disrespect my mother. I obey my father. I love my sister. I respect my brother. We'll hang up. Police are running me down. Fuck my I do. But there are not radio. And they really need to see a doctor. Because I feel this man I drive I have an asthma attack. Let's pause on the store, I say. I'm a drive while having an asthma attack. Moral of the story, kids. Tape on JFTC, what's my better? I can't live a good life. Work hard. I feel well. And if I could run on this I might feel like it's funny. Not funny at all. Don't funny at one bit. Not one bit. Not funny at all. Bonjour. Boy. Bottom of the fries. Bottom of the bag fries. What kids? Just wait for myself, right? Tell nobody story I'm traumatized. I don't think you understand. I'm gonna just you're the joke. I forgot to tell the joke. You're the joke. After the man drive with you know. The man I go say he might go for back the man and see if he can pay the bill without the policeman truck in car. And not you. That's what I see it. I'm gonna see if I can. But if I have bottom, I'm gonna ask me for a video. Actually, everybody can do the video. But I just never did a workout. Apparently, my back dropped too tall. Mom never did a cut it. Somebody have to do it all yourself. Burger King. Takes rules your way. Are that them still fine? It's what? Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And next week, hopefully I'm not so tired. One video I can drop. Probably one video drop tomorrow because I have a challenge for do. And so let's see you all next week. Piao. You know, come on, go. Piao. Goodbye.